we are going to cover what are the list of methods available inside the Python data type list. So let for an example, we have taken a list and I am going to print this list. Let's see, this list is getting printed. So there is a append function. So let me increase the font size. So what is the append state that list dot append? If you write the append function, it will help you to add the element at the end of the list. So let for an example, I am adding another number as 5 and I am again printing my list. Let's see how it is getting added, and if I wanted to add something like that, another list, so how it will be get added? It will be get added as a nested list. So this is the way it got added. So if I want to add a string over here, so I take for an example 23, so it will add 23 as a string. Okay. So this is the first one is append. Let's second one will be see that extend. Okay, so extend is L1 dot extend. Extend, it will means that it will extend this list to another iterable type. What is it is saying that it will iterate, means it will take an data type which can be iteratable. So it might be list, set, tuple. So let's for an example, we are extending this list with another list. So this list to whatever the things we are getting to add, it will be get added to extended to this list. Now this 3, 43 and 4 and 3, it's got extended, means it is added. So if we are adding instead of this append, what will happen here? For an example, same example if you are taking, and if you are adding like this, it will make a nested list. So to avoid this, we use extend to merge both of the list. Okay. So next we will see that list dot insert. Okay, list dot insert. So what it is, what it will insert? It will insert the index at in which index we are going to insert and what is the object. For an example, the index 0, I wanted to enter 444. Let's run and see what is the result coming. But if you see, if I wanted to add index on the end of this list, okay, so how can I add, or I can give that length of the list, so it will add to the end of the list. Okay, so this is the way you can do. So fourth one will be saying that remove list dot remove. So what does it mean? It will remove the element or value whenever it will find at the first. For an example, there are 223. 23 got repeated at the place of 3 and 6th position of this list. So we are going to remove this 23 and we are going to print this list. You will see it has removed this 23 when it has found the 23 at the beginning. So fifth, we will be seeing that pop. So what is the difference between remove and pop? pop will remove and return item at index. Okay, so in remove we used to give only the item, but in pop we can give the index. For an example, we want to remove this 3 to 4, so it is present inside the index 0. So let's see. So every time I am just copying, let me copy this and paste somewhere here. Okay, so now whenever I'll be doing this will get printed. Okay, so now we are just trying to pop. So now our initial list is this 324. So before this we can have a print as it is getting printed over here, that is fine. We'll say 324 got popped up. So if I want to remove the end of this list, how can you remove? So similarly length of this list. So what does it return? It will return the index at this element. So in this case it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it will return the list. But why did it has given the error? Pop index is out of range. Why? So if we are giving the length of this list, let's see what is happening now. But here we have seen that length of this it has given. Okay, so in this case let's debug this. We are going to print this length of this list. For the time just forget about this. So if you are printing the length of this list, it is giving us 8. So it is not the index value, it is the how many elements it is inside present inside, that is the list. So if you want to remove this, you want to do index list minus 1, length minus 1. So if you want to do length minus 1, it will be giving you the new list with the remove the last one. So did you got what is the difference between length and index? So length will give you the how many elements are present inside this. Index is something which is starts from 0 and it ends the length minus 1. Okay, so next one we are going to see after this pop clear. So what does it clear mean? So it will clear all the elements among the list. Okay, so let me dot clear. So let me print the list once again. So it has cleared all the list. Okay, so now next we will see the index. So what does this index means? This index says that it will return the index of first item with value at x. Means if you want to find the index of 4, means where your 4 is present in the inside this list, it will return you. Now let's print L dot index. In this index we are passing 4. So it will return the location at which 4 is placed. So 4 index of 4 it will be returned you. Similarly, if I wanted to print where this 3 to 4 is present, what it will return? It will return the index of 0. So this is the list dot index. So next 8 will say count. So what does this count mean? Count means it will find you all the occurrence of the element inside this list. For an example, the 4 it has, let's take another time 4 elements at this list. So if you want, let's take care this way, print list dot count. Under this count, if we are printing 4, it will give us 2 because 4 has present 2 times. Okay, if you want to count 23, so let's see, it has also present 2 times. If you want to count 323, it will be returning 1 time. Okay, so this is the count. Next, sort. So what does sort means? So as its name suggests, it will sort your list. So what it will return after sorting? Let's see how to know that what the function is going to return. So if you click Control plus, if you press your Control button and click on this methods, it will bring you the definition of this method. On what is this definition? This is the location where the Python developer has written this code and the meaning of this code, and also many times they used to give the example in this area, so you can go ahead and understand it in the later time. If you because everything we cannot remember at a shot, it will take some time to remember. You can go and find this way. So what it is saying that sort the list in ascending order and return none. The sort is in place. So list itself, so it is saying that it will not return. Okay, and also there the reverse flag can be set if sort in descending order. So how can we pass this? We can pass as a reverse. Okay, let's see that. So L1 dot sort, and if you are printing now, it will be already print that it has given us but we are not keeping here anything, and not printing here. This is the reason it has not shown you. Okay, now it has sorted. So if you want to what this function was saying, you want to reverse that descending true. Okay, reverse true. Let's see, it has sorted us the reverse way. So this is the meaning of sort. And there is also another function that is the similar to the sort and reverse. So that is a reverse only. So this function states that each dot reverse, so it will give you directly the reverse things without having this sort with reverse true. So let's see. So why this has not given anything? So because this is returning something. So multi-sequence. So if you'll see, let's take this list. Okay, it has not returning anything. So why this is not able to reverse this? Okay, it has reversed this list. I was checking means I thought of we have sorting already, so that was the thing. Let's take an example. If before this reverse we can sort this list and the reverse, it will be very easy for you to understand. List dot sort. So what this line will do, it will sort in the ascending order in reverse. Okay, so first just it will sort this list. Let's print this list and see how it is sorting this list. So it has sorted in the ascending order, and we are saying that reverse it. So it is doing the reverse. So it is the same as this two line. If we are commenting this, so it will be giving you two things, same things. So sort and reverse. If I will be commenting all the things, you'll see it will give you this line. Okay, so before this, let me add something for you, whether you can able to see. Okay, now see, it has given the same order. So it is the meaning of reverse. So we can use the sort function and pass this reverse true to make this function as a reverse. So will be we can otherwise directly use the reverse. So let's see the last but not the least, number 11. This is copy. So there are different types of copy. We will be discussing through another video. For an example, list 2 we are declaring. We are just writing a list dot copy. So now the list 2 will have all the value whichever inside the list 1. So this is the copy. It will return. It is a shallow copy. So there are various types of copy. Please go through the channel to find out. Otherwise, I'll be providing you link over here. So what are the different types of copy? Shallow copy, deep copy. So these are the copies. Mostly those are the interview questions. Thank you all, and thanks for watching.